tired of keeping to yourself in social situations? Do you want to turn your shyness into confidence? Look no further. In this video, we're going to explore how to overcome shyness and become confident in public. It's normal to feel shy in and around others, especially if you lack confidence in yourself. But today, we're going to help you break free from that. The first step is to identify what's causing your shyness. Is it a lack of confidence, fear of judgment, or just social anxiety? Whatever the reason, these tips are going to help you overcome it. This is an emotional condition that can be caused by an array of reasons, including genetics, upbringing, personality traits, or even your environment. This makes it challenging for some individuals to become comfortable in their skin and feel confident when in public. The first step to overcoming shyness is identifying what triggers it. Whether it's a specific situation or a particular person, recognizing what causes your discomfort can help you develop confidence and self-awareness. The second step is learning to accept yourself. Change begins with you, and accepting yourself, flaws and all, will further your journey to self-growth. Mindfulness and self-awareness are critical components in overcoming shyness. Being mindful of your thoughts, feelings, and emotions can help you identify negative behavior patterns and transform them into positive ones. Practicing self-awareness through meditation, relaxation techniques, and mindfulness can help increase your self-confidence and help you overcome shyness in social situations. The final step to breaking free from shyness is to change your mindset. Practice positive affirmations, focus on your accomplishments, and avoid comparing yourself to others. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Visualize yourself in social situations feeling confident and assertive. Here is a list of 7 positive affirmations you can say to overcome shyness in public. 1. I'm confident and capable of speaking in public. 2. I radiate positive energy and attract others with my charisma. 3. Every day I become more comfortable in social situations. 4. I embrace opportunities to step out of my comfort zone and interact with new people. 5. My voice is valuable and my opinions are worthy of being heard. 6. Shyness does not define me. I am in control of my own confidence. 7. Each public interaction is an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. Hope you enjoyed these tips and the video. Please leave your comments below and of course subscribe for more valuable content just like this. I'm Annette and I'll see you soon.